world of fashion never fails to surprise us with its creativity and quirks. And the newest one to catch our attention is ace designer Prabal Gurung's new collection at the New York Fashion Week, where models were seen walking the ramp sporting Sindoor or vermilion. The designer showcased his new line for Fall-Winter 2023 on February 10, and his creation was a tribute to his roots and his homeland, Nepal. The models walked wearing asymmetrical draping and a variety of clothes on a mirrored floor beneath star projections. But the highlight of the show for us and the rest of the world was the models sporting Sindoor. The Sindoor came in various colors. You can notice that the color of the Sindoor was in sync with the color of the outfit the models were wearing. Prabal Gurung revealed that the show explored the Buddhist concept of anicca or impermanence. The motivation behind this collection was his 10-day meditation retreat to Nepal, where he hasn't been since before the pandemic. He talked about how his motivation grew from the silence on his 10-day Vipassana retreat, where reading, phones and exercises were banned. On the third day of his trip, a painted lady butterfly landed on his window and it gave him something to ponder. The collection, he says, is a dialogue between Western and Eastern modes of dressing, and he used butterfly motifs on waist-shaper belts trailing long sashes and as accents on choli blouses. His silhouettes were also sharper and longer this time around, and the asymmetry challenged the idea of harmony. He draped softly and provided sharp angles at the same time. There were gliding skirts, wool jackets, glitzy golds and crystals outwear. The Sindoor was just the perfect finishing touch for his show, as it is the symbol of purity in Nepali culture. It also symbolizes good luck, bravery and auspiciousness. The pictures from his show went viral and netizens had a mixed reaction. While some liked the idea of mixing fashion with tradition, some accused the designer of cultural appropriation. Well, we think it's fair for the designer to use elements from his own culture to pay tribute to his homeland. Fashion is not offensive until and unless it's done in a bad taste, and here the designer has used it as a creative touch. Talking of Prabal Gurung, he is an internationally acclaimed designer with iconic figures like Michelle Obama, Kate Middleton, Kamala Harris, Oprah Winfrey and others as his clients. His brand name also resonates with the likes of Gigi Hadid, Miley Cyrus, Priyanka Chopra, Zoe Saldana, Nicki Minaj and more. What do you think of Sindoor making a debut at the New York Fashion Week? Let us know in the comments and do follow Shosha for more fashion content.